Hello and welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I will show you how to fix the Coinbase app not working. So let's get started. So here we can see the Coinbase app. If it's not working, you have to follow this easy step. So here I will directly see if it's there. Okay, so it is not there in my phone. So I will just show you how to fix that. Okay, it's very easy. So press and hold it on the app, just click that I button, it will open the app info of that app. Then here you have to go to the storage section, just click on clear data, just clear the existing data. Then open the app again, and if it's work for you, then fine. If it does not work for you, just check for an update. Go to the Google search bar and search for the Coinbase app. So here from here you can just download the latest version of this app and it will work. So if you have any question related to this, you can let me know in my comment section. And if you find this video helpful, make sure you like, subscribe and share the video. Thank you for watching.